A retail firm is utilizing Amazon Bedrock for a product recommendation system that leverages customer demographic and historical data. To ensure ethical AI practices, the company needs to evaluate fairness metrics across various demographic groups to identify bias between two different prompt engineering strategies. They require a real-time monitoring system that triggers alerts when a fairness discrepancy greater than 15% is detected. Additionally, the firm needs a weekly report summarizing how the two prompt strategies compare in terms of fairness performance. Which architectural choice achieves these goals with the minimum amount of custom development work?
Option A. Build a monitoring system using Amazon CloudWatch to collect model outputs, process them with AWS Lambda functions to compute custom fairness statistics, and trigger alerts via Amazon Event Bridge. Option B. Configure Amazon Bedrock prompt management with traffic splitting. Implement Amazon Bedrock guardrails with content filtering to detect bias, and create CloudWatch alarms based on invocations intervened metrics.
Option C. Use Amazon SageMaker Clarify to generate bias metrics from model responses. Publish these to Amazon CloudWatch and utilize composite alarms to monitor fairness discrepancies and performance. Option D. Run an Amazon Bedrock model evaluation job to compare prompt versions, enable standard CloudWatch invocation logs, and create alerts for invocations intervened metrics partitioned by demographic group.
This question touches on the concepts of MLOps, model monitoring, and governance. When deploying generative AI, organizations must manage potential biases in output, especially when dealing with demographic data. The core challenge here is finding an architecture that can automate the measurement and alerting of bias metrics without requiring a significant amount of manual coding or custom middleware infrastructure.
In my view, the correct answer is option C. Amazon SageMaker Clarify is a purpose-built service within the AWS ecosystem specifically designed to detect and monitor bias in machine learning models and generative AI outputs. By utilizing SageMaker Clarify, you can generate the required fairness metrics and publish them to Amazon CloudWatch for real-time monitoring. The advantage of using composite alarms in CloudWatch is the ability to trigger alerts exactly when those fairness discrepancies exceed your 15% threshold. This approach significantly minimizes the amount of custom development work required, as it avoids building a bespoke monitoring framework from the ground up using services like Lambda or custom statistics logic. IT instructor explaining a certification exam question to students. Explain which answer is correct and why. Options A, B, and D are less ideal. Option A introduces significant custom development by forcing you to build and maintain your own monitoring pipeline. Options B and D are incorrect because Bedrock guardrails and standard model evaluation jobs are focused on guardrails or static evaluation, rather than the real-time statistical monitoring and alerting of demographic bias discrepancies needed here.
When you see a question about minimizing development effort for monitoring bias, look for managed services like SageMaker Clarify. These tools provide out-of-the-box support for the statistical analysis needed to ensure AI fairness, reducing the operational burden on your engineering team.